taking a picnic and going to the creek
to find some salamanders. Hopefully.
Okay, so you were saying before about the creek.
Oh, there's no documented chytrid in this area, so there should be a lot of salamanders. We were just here a couple months ago and we actually saw several, and it was really cold, so hopefully today will be. Hello. I'm gonna take a Snapchat of us cheering. Alright. Cheers, bro.
This is what we're doing. We're trying to catch a little darter fish.
I just want to get a better shot, like where you guys can see one closer up.
Yeah.
Catch and release. This is a very, very cool time of year to be doing this because the males are in their courting colors, which means they're much brighter than the females. Now the males are also way more defensive, so they're way faster than the females are. So I don't think I'm going to be able to catch a male, but the females I think I'm going to get one.
And then we're just trying to get one in this little pail here. This is how clear the water is. I mean, you can probably just see the bottom, but like this is how clear it is. Yeah, I wasn't really prepared. I didn't charge my GoPro enough, but we got a really cool shot, we think.
Yeah, we saw a male and a female courting. And it looks like the male might have been courting two different females, which is really neat.
The water feels really good too.
That's very cool. There are multiple things in a tentacle.
I've never done anything like this, so.
Oh, he's fast.
Whoa. They swim backwards.
Yeah, they do.
Cat was able to find a speckled crawdad. That's pretty cool.
Looks like a female.
I'm over here trying to get a shot of the fish.
I'm gonna let her go. Thank you, ma'am. I'm gonna release you right next to this big rock. Found the male without a net.
Literally seconds after.
I just scooped him right up. Pretty cool.
That's cool.
That's incredibly cool. So she's buried, which is the crawdad pregnant. She has eggs and they are fertilized.
I've never.
Which is incredible to see.
This is the first one I've caught.
This is the first one that I've ever seen in the wild that is pregnant.
I feel like I did something wrong because I picked up this rock right beneath me and I kind of disturbed her.
Well, I mean, you wouldn't have been able to know. There was no way of knowing. If you want to place the rock back in the position where you found it, I will let her go and we'll put her right next to the edge of it. That'll give her...
I don't think that's anything.
Let me see. No, that's just a piece of dirt. No, those are secure. She would not let go of her eggs.
Cool.
This is amazing. That's really, really cool.
Alright, so I have this down here. I'm trying to get just a really good shot of just jumbo over there. This is pretty cool. Just keep finding all sorts of these things down here. There's a bee. Number 2.
He's incredible.
He was just chilling under this rock that I flipped over. He's just like looking at me like, what?
Yeah, what you gonna do, huh?
Cat finally got one.
I'm gonna try to get a male.
We'll set her off to the side here.
Definitely hold on to her. We don't want that. So this is the female right here on this side. This is the male on this side. I'm trying to get him in the sunlight away from the camera so that you can see how different their colorations are.
It's pretty cool.
Similar to birds, the females have like the duller, more muted colors, and the males have the really bright colors. They're just trying to look their best, try and catch a mate. He's one of the smaller ones that I've seen, but he is like beautiful, so.
They're probably like, I told you I didn't want to talk to you.
Yeah, she's like, I'm not interested.
Alright, I think that's gonna do it. We had a pretty good day today. It was fun.
It was awful.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. We found a tick on me,
Yeah, that was terrible.
but it didn't bite me. That's why we kind of packed up and left real quick. It was right here on my leg.
It really
But
was.
my Pokemon Go account is finally back, and I just caught my first Pokemon in a month. So yeah, it's been a pretty good day. If I get a shiny Voltorb, that'd be pretty cool too. But
It would be awful.
yeah, it would. Alright, we're gonna head back. Thank you for watching. This is the first video we've done like this. It
That's
wasn't,
true.
It was kind of spontaneous.
Yeah, today was just like, I need to get out of the house. I was just sad, but this like made my mental health go from a 0 to like a 99. The only thing that can make it better is going home and playing Animal Crossing.
Which we're gonna do.
So.
Alright, thank you guys. I don't know whose channel this will be on. If it's a new one, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna probably do this a little bit more because we got a GoPro.
Yeah, and it's the end of the world, so we gotta see shit.
Yeah, Corona.
Yeah.
Corona apocalypse 2020.
It really is.
Oh shit, it's 2020.
It really is 2020.
Alright, later.
We'll be right back.